What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. I got a dunk, an early pair for y'all, and this one is probably my favorite dunk of the year. I know on previous videos I talked about that mocha pair releasing, but these joints are crazy, bro. These joints are crazy. We got a regular red Nike dunk box, man. Red box, white Nike are going across the top of that joint. The tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk Low Premium, neutral, black, L, brown, and pecan, size 12. Not a personal, not yet. Just grabbed these joints from my bro Kuko on the review. So shout out to him for looking at with the early pair. It is my size, but he said that he might already have these joints sold. So if that's the case, I will be waiting, but these are going to the collection for sure, 100%. Here we have the Nike Dunk Low in its brown and snake colorway. This is a Co.Jp. Co.Jp stands for Concept Japan. We've been seeing Nike tap in to a lot of the Co.Jp colorways and concepts. And this one is a good one, bro. They did a really good job on this shoe. The materials are there. The color blocking is really good. It's a really good colorway, bro. I really like these joints a lot. But let's get into the details of this shoe. Getting to the outside of the shoe, man, you can see it has that snakeskin side panel. It has like a reptile print-ish on the swoosh as well, on that part of the leather. It has some really soft, nice brown leather going around this toe cap and mud guard. Same with the back of the shoe. They have a different shade of brown leather right here on the top part. This one is really nice material as well. It has like a nice dark brown suede going across those eye stays and the lace holes right here, right across the top. These joints are clean, bro. You can see it has that snake skin on that mid panel, snake skin on that toe box, bro. And the materials are really nice, bro. No flaws at all. Get into the tongue and the laces. They have black laces, and it has a white nylon tongue, or cell rather, nylon tongue. And it has the black Nike tag with the red Nike. The red hit is a really nice touch for sure. Getting around to the back of the shoe, it has that same black leather that we saw on the swoosh. This is like a, I guess like a reptile printed style leather. And it has the red Nike stitched in and embroidered. Super clean, bro. It has that cell midsole, all brown going across that outsole, bro. These joints are clean. I know I was hyping up the mocha mock-ups that we saw, and I'm still excited about those. The mocha one is gonna be a good hit, but I think this is gonna be the best dunk of the year, bro. I'm sold, bro. I'm sold. It's super neutral, but at the same time, those red hits really pops with the shoe. And I think this is a really good look, bro. It's a really good look. Now, on the inside of the tongue, it has the Co.Jp tag and logo. And right there, it says Co.Jp stands for Concept Japan and was once the URL of Nike's website for Japan. So it has the logo and it has like some text on the inside. This is something different that we've seen on dunks. Them adding logo and just putting the history of the Co.Jp on the actual tongue tag is really dope. Now the inside of this sock liner is a nice black leather. They really did good with this shoe. The quality is there. You would think this was a collab the way they did this shoe, man. This is crazy. This is something I hope we see from Nike a lot more. Not sure what the retail on this joint is gonna be or when they're actually releasing, but the materials are there. On the insole of the shoe, it is black and it has the red Co.Jp logo. Get this light just so you guys can see that. That is in red, the Co.Jp logo. You can see that leather there as well, bro. These joints are clean, bro. Black leather insides, man. Really nice materials on the outside. These joints do come with an extra set of laces and they come in a nice cell color. These will pop really well with the shoe, but I think I like the black on here just as much, man. I like the black and I like the red hits on the tips of the black laces, bro. This is a really nice shoe, really nice colorway. Now getting into the right shoe, man, it's the exact same as the left. Has the warm brown leather on the front and back of the shoe. Regular brown leather here up top. Brown suede on those eye stays or lace holes, whatever you want to call them. Black and red on that tongue tag. Black and red on the back of the shoe with that Nike hit. Cell midsole, brown outsole. Super clean, man. I do like these red tips on the laces, and they match really well, man. They pop with the Nike tag on the tongue and with the Nike hit on the back of the shoe. The red really pops with this shoe, man. It's all neutral, all white, cream, brown, black. Very neutral colors, and that red just adds a really good pop that the shoe is missing. I like these joints a lot. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, I'm not really sure of retail, but with these joints being a premium and being like the most premium materials that I've seen on a regular release dunk, I would assume they're probably $130 at the minimum. We saw those Valentine's joints and like a lot of the other dunks going for $130. I can see these being $150 shoe as far as retail, man. I'm not exactly sure, so don't quote me, but the materials on here are crazy, bro. This is the best dunk. Man, it's probably gonna be the best dunk of the year, bro. I said that about that Sandrift, but that was the best one so far. I think this one will be the best dunk of the year, hands down, bro. Like, the materials are crazy. You see that snakeskin, you see that black leather, that brown worn leather on the front and on the back. That good brown leather going across the top of that panel, man. I love the printed swoosh. Snakeskin on the toe, 2 sets of laces, leather insides, bro. They did everything that they could on this shoe besides throw a special box, bro. But this is crazy, bro. Super nice shoe. Now, as far as resale, man, on StockX right now, these joints are going for like around 200 to 250 bucks. Not sure about the retail, but aftermarket pairs are not too expensive right now, especially for them being a technically early release. So you definitely can grab these for a reasonable price right now if you just want to grab them and go ahead and put them to the ground. That's definitely an option. But like I said, I'm not sure about the retail, so the resale is kind of hard to judge on these joints right now. But as far as quality, I can see these joints moving all day, 250, maybe even 300 bucks, just depending on how limited they are and what the retail price is, man. But like I said, with that material and with the quality on these joints, I can see these being 140, 150, maybe even 160, maybe 160, but for sure, $150 shoe, man. I wouldn't blink an eye if I saw these joints for retail 150. I'll still grab them all day. But y'all do me a favor, man. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Are they heat hype? You dripping, flipping, skipping? Let me know how you guys feel about these joints, bro. Just leave it down below. Let me know. But overall, just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just wants to give you guys an early look at these Co.Jp snakeskin and brown dunks, bro. Super fire, super clean. If I can grab these joints from my guy Kuko, I definitely will be grabbing these joints just to add them to the collection early. Just depends on what he paid and depends on what he's trying to charge me. I may grab them, but regardless of whether I get them now or during release time, these joints are coming home for sure. But this is gonna wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time, on the next video, we got the brown and snakeskin Co.Jp dunks. Early look. Hope you like them. Hope you love them, because I do. Peace, man.